40% of all crashes involve intersections. 50% of serious collisions happen at intersections, and some 20% of fatal collisions occur there. Every year, the Federal Highway Administration, FHA, reports approximately 2.5 million intersection accidents. 85% of intersection crashes happen due to driver's recognition error or decision error. There was a need for a system that could accurately assess the speed and distance of incoming traffic to aid the driver's decisions and attention. This team of young inventors from DiscoverSTEM invented a system with an extendable camera and speed radar, which gives drivers better situational awareness of incoming traffic and enables them to make the right decision at the intersection. The system detects the speed, calculates the time of collision, and alerts the driver if it is safe to turn. This system works equally well in bad weather, heavy rain, and no light conditions. When the car is parked, this invention doubles up as a camera surveillance system.
The inventors of this innovation are Azal Amer, Ryan Shee, Price-Gearey, Nikitha Thoduguli, Rishab Sidamshetty, Shreeya Madhavanur, and Ashton Rischer.